If you want to make the best shrimp siu mai at home, you are at the right place. I'm here to guide you through the ultimate shrimp siu mai recipe, step by step. Impress your friends and family with the siu mai recipe. These are peeled and deveined shrimp. With a knife, smash the shrimp. When you smash it, you'll see another black line. It's the circulatory and nervous system of the shrimp. It doesn't contain any digestive discharge, so you could leave it or remove it. Then we're going to chop the shrimp into smaller pieces. In a mixing bowl, transfer the shrimp inside. Then add the cornstarch, salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. Mix well. Here is a secret technique. To make the shrimp extra bouncy, you can make it into a ball and keep on throwing it into the mixing bowl for a few minutes. It makes such a huge difference. It's also a great arm exercise. We're going to use wonton wrappers today, and they are available in most Asian grocery stores at the refrigerator sections. Place a wrapper on top of your hand. Add about a tablespoon of the filling in the center. Then place it between your thumb and index finger. Push the filling down and turn the siu mai around to wrap it firmly. Here we have some smashed shrimp for garnish. Add a piece of smashed shrimp on top. Here we have some carrots for garnish. Add a few pieces of minced carrots on the siu mai. Do the same with the rest. Bamboo steamers are available in most Asian grocery stores. You can also find them in superstores like Walmart and Target. Here is a dash of oil. Brush it on the bamboo steamer to prevent sticking. Place the siu mai on the bamboo steamer. In a large steamer, over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the bamboo steamer inside. Cover the lid. Steam for about 5 minutes until completely cooked through. Here's a little quiz for you. What did I do to the shrimp to make it extra bouncy? Please comment below. Carefully remove and serve. I absolutely love the dance story The Restaurant from Shen Yun Performing Arts. It shows how important it is to work together as a team. Perhaps you could also make siu mai with your friends and family. When you do it together, I'm sure the siu mai will be the tastiest. Happy cooking and enjoy! This is absolutely amazing. Definitely dim sum restaurant quality. It's so tasty. The shrimp is super bouncy. It's just so good. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like to make other types of siu mai, check out the link right here. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. And I will see you again soon. Bye! Would you like to watch exclusive behind the scenes content? Also receive early access to my written recipes and short videos. Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy to follow Asian recipes. Thank you for being awesome.